What's the power of an emotive face in your business videos? If you caught the first part of this video, it's where Simon Banks, who shows businesses how to improve their communication with simple drawing techniques. Is that a fair description? How would you describe it?
Yeah, how to be better visual storytellers.
Yeah.
I would say.
So Simon showed us how to improve upon your stick figure man into a more fully formed living person, just with a couple of little strokes. And this time, we're going to look at how we can make a face.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so let's do a little bit of theory first. Now, our head is actually a bit of sort of an egg shape. And when kids would draw the eyes, they would put them right up there, but our eyes don't live up there, okay? So taking you back to art school, our eyes are actually halfway down. If you put another line at halfway, that's the bottom of your nose. You put the other line there, and that's your mouth. Okay, so you see the proportions are a lot different from when people put the eyes up here. So most of our head is actually made up of the hair. Okay, so that's proportions, but when you're sketching quickly, it can be hard to sort of stick with those. So what I'm going to show you is a really simple way to use expression and sort of do a foolproof version of this. Now I think there's 3 or 4 expressions you need to be able to draw, and you only need a couple of lines, okay? So number 1, we're going to stick with straight lines that look like this and put them pretty much in the middle of the face, which is not too different from where we went over here, but we've got a bit of wriggle room. So this person, super happy, okay? So that's a happy face. This one here, sort of unsure, not sure what's going on, could be thinking, could be dreaming. This one over here.
The crow's feet.
The crow's feet.
Yeah.
Or the feet of the feet. Not happy, okay? They're not happy with what's going on. And this one here, this person's shocked, surprised, yawning, or one of those things. So I think with these 4 different emotions, it's enough to convey everything that you need in your storyboard.
So now, if you didn't see the first video, can you draw us a figure? And one of my favourites I remember from the workshop, because I went to a workshop that Simon did, was a person jumping for joy.
All right, so we're going to put in our rectangle here. And remember, I said if the arms start in the right spot, it doesn't really matter where they go. This one here, because we've started them from here. And let's say this leg can go there, and that leg can go there. So all of a sudden, this person, we know they're really happy. I'll do another example here. This person here, let's say they're not really sure what's going on. Maybe there's a little bit of steam coming off their head as well. And this person here, hands on hips, can convey a whole lot of emotion. And this one here again, and again, it doesn't really matter what the arms look like, it's where they start that's the problem. Well, not the problem, it's where they start, which is the right thing to do. So you can see there, with 4 easy faces, and once we know where to put the bodies and the lines that come off them, we can express all types of emotion, which we never can with old sticky.
This is such a useful tool. If you're trying to get an idea across for a video that you want to make, you can draw a couple of little rectangles for a frame, a couple of little characters like this, and because a lot of the videos that we make for business are transformational videos, you want to tell people that they're in this position here and your product or service can help them to transform into what they like, and maybe there's pain points along the way. And just imagine how easy it is now, just with a couple of little squiggles and lines like that, that you can improve your videos. So if you want to know more about what Simon does and how he can help you with better communications within your business, you go to simonbanks.com.au. And if you want to see how to win more business with a smartphone and a smile, Come and see me at getvideosmart.com.